Are you afraid to let anyone touch your YouTube channel? You want to collaborate with an editor or a designer, but the thought of them accidentally deleting a video or changing your settings keeps you up at night. It's a real fear. But here's the good news. You can grant access without giving away control. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add people to your channel and lock down exactly what they can do. In this video, I'll show you where to find permissions, how to add users, and what each role can do. Let's dive in. So the first thing we need to do is get into YouTube Studio. This is the command center for your channel. Open your browser and head over to studio.youtube.com. Once you're signed in, you'll land right on your channel dashboard. This is your home base, and it's where you'll find everything you need to manage your channel settings. Now, don't get distracted by all the cards and charts just yet. What we're looking for is on the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down a little bit until you see the option that says Settings. Click on that. A new submenu will pop out, and right there, you'll see the word Permissions. That is the golden ticket. Click on Permissions. This might take a moment to load if you haven't been here before, but don't worry. It's pulling up your current access list. So now that we've found the permissions page, let's actually add someone to your channel. You'll see a big blue button in the top right corner that says Invite. Go ahead and click that. A pop-up will appear, and it's going to ask you for their email address. Now, this has to be a Google account because YouTube is owned by Google, so make sure you have the right email from your collaborator. Type it in carefully. I've seen people misspell an email and wonder why their editor never showed up. Double check that. Then click Next. And here's the really important part, choosing their permission level. This is the step that turns your fear into confidence. YouTube breaks this down into a few roles. The first one is Manager. A manager can do almost anything you can do. They can upload videos, change settings, even delete your channel if they wanted to. So think very carefully before you pick this one. For most cases, you don't need a manager. The safer option is Editor. Editors can upload videos, edit metadata, and manage comments, but they can't delete your channel or change your billing info. It's the sweet spot for most collaborations. Then there's Viewer. A viewer can only see your analytics and the back end of your channel, but they can't touch anything. This is great if you have a coach or a consultant who just needs to see your numbers. And finally, there's the community role. This person can manage comments and live chat, but not much else. It's perfect for someone helping with moderation. In my experience, starting with Editor is the smartest move. You can always upgrade them later if you need to. Once you've picked the right role, click Invite. And just like that, they're in the queue. After you hit Invite, YouTube will send them an email asking them to accept. But you're not done yet. If you ever need to change what they can do or remove them entirely, simply come back to this permissions page. Right here, you'll see a list of everyone who has access. You can click the 3 little dots next to their name, and you can change their role or remove them instantly. No questions asked. You are always in control. And that's it. You now know exactly how to share your channel without giving away the keys to the castle. Go ahead. Collaborate without the anxiety. Thanks for watching.